Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we are going to see how to calculate an area of polygon. So let us first add our data, map, add. So you can see here this is the polygon called as lake. Let me open it. So I have digitized few lakes in this. So we are going to see how to calculate area for it. It can be a lake, it can be a land use, anything, same procedure. So right click and click on attribute table. Once the attribute table has been opened, the first step will be creating a new field. Select add. Here I am going to name the field as area. The field is being created because we need to calculate the area, so it is essential to create a field separately. Now in the data type I am going to select double so that you will be getting in the decimals. That will be much more accurate. You will be getting it in the points. Okay. Now after doing it, hit the button save. Now we have successfully created a field. You can see here. Yeah. Now in order to calculate an area, select this field, right click on it, and you can find the option calculate geometry. Select calculate geometry, and you can see that we have already selected area field. So in properties we are going to select area geodesic and area unit. So I am going to select square kilometers. The unit can be varied based on your interested metrics. So I am going to select square kilometers. If it's a small area, you can select square meters likewise. So in the coordinate system, I am going to choose the lakes coordinate system. So this is a projected coordinate system and it is in UTM zone 45. Okay. Now click on OK and let us wait for the result. Yeah, we got our results. As you can see here, the area of each lake is, we got the area for each lake. For this lake, this is the area in square kilometers. Like this, you can calculate area for any given polygon. So if you have any other doubts, you can ask in the comment section. The lake used for this analysis is projected in UTM zone. So thanks for watching. Goodbye everyone.